go to straight to Sky Beach condominium. You can see already this is condominium in the front. Nighttime many people sit in these places. Restaurants also, and many Russian tourists in this area. They live with family. Also I will show to you Russian restaurant. This is Russian restaurant. Papaya salad. You can see price. Russian foods. Drink. Chunk. Did you remember, Shaira, we stay in this area, in hotel, apartment. It's big room, she said, good.
It's fruits. In
Ah.
Philippines, that one. It's sweet.
We will buy in the
No.
market.
Try. One only. You take. It's sweet.
Oh, Shaira, I don't want, it's so high.
Oh, this one.
Ah, this one also. Shaira, this one you take. Near our home have the same.
This one is sweet.
Yeah. Oh, but my hand now is,
In Philippines,
Not
we
good.
eat this one.
I know. Shaira, Italian Thai company. And same company built a bridge to Manila. Same. Near Tiger Hotel, I say Italian Thai company. Another Russian restaurant, Pelmeni Club name. Russian Post, USSR Post. Post box from USSR, take a look. It's USSR logo. Hi?
Big food.
Массаж. In Sky Beach I always go to this place for buy fish. Shaira, ask how much fish.
How much?
Only 100, Shaira. We will buy later, okay? What you say? What is? It's come back, yes? Okay.
In the basketball, you need to like.
Okay. Many people go to this beach resort Pattaya. It's 5-star hotel. Shaira, let's go to another side. What is this, Shaira? Flower.
3 kilos.
ทำไมหลังไม่ใช่หลังเทอร์มินอลหลังในห้างไอ้นั่นอ่ะ
Today my birthday. That's why I sell for this price only one day.
ขับล้อกลับมาขาย
Shaira, he said his birthday. That's why today he sell for one day.
Birthday.
Yes, so we will buy. Hold please.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, we will buy because birthday.
Yeah. 20 here.
ขับเล่เลยเลาะไปเลย Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Yeah, thank you. Looking.
Ah. We not plan to buy some birds.
We not plan, yes, because I don't know about. Maybe not don't have season right now. I don't know. Fish, yes. I like this place because always food is cheaper and food's what I like. Fish, I not need to go to Terminal 21 if you live here because so many street foods and street foods is good. Beach house. Many people live in this area. So many. Sky Beach. Yes.
You can ask me.
This is taxi waiting area. We will go to airport from this place. Shaira, did you remember you sit in this table and some wood fall down from the floor, from the tree
I remember here. Bump here in my
to head?
here.
Mhm. Very good, windy here. It's never hot here because little bit windy, very comfortable. Tortilla. Do you like this elevator? Shaira said same like in the airplane.
Same what is this I've been in.
Good weather, fresh air. Shaira rest now. Are you okay, Shaira? Hot, because hot.
Not hot, but you know already.
Mm.
You don't cry, you're not strong enough to care. Getting lost in my own pain, not in the game. One more dance to see me. I've been hoping we could try. Not a lie alone tonight. I will never have the life you stole. Now I'm keeping everything in my soul. If you call me in the night, I will ask you every time. Can you breathe with me? In another life, I'm feeling cold holding out for a last chance, the heart to relax. One more light to take me, and I hope that you won't try, 'cause I don't wanna know if I get out.
Take a taxi to Teprazit Market. Toyota Yaris. Our taxi after 3 minutes. What is this? We'll buy drinks. Okay.
Buy drinks for
Not talk. Oh.
when we're little starlight.
Теперь этот сантехник пришел, ушел.
3 minutes. Toyota Yaris. Bolt.
Gas mask?
Tomorrow we come back to birthday party to our friend. Or
Again.
I don't want. Always windy here. Shaira. Yeah. Nicholas.
I'll just buy.
Yes, no, he will take something in the parking.
So is it there?
Waiting area for taxi. Two minutes. Grey Toyota Yaris.
Three, 273.
Yes, 3273. Hello.